Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to run code in Android Studio. What you need to do, look at the top toolbar in Android Studio. Near the center or right side, click the device drop-down menu first. So as you can see right here, let's say this one. Now select your device from the list. You have here basically physical virtual devices. Physical phone is basically if you have connected through USB, Wi-Fi, and so on, but it needs to be USB debugging turned on. So in one previous video, I showed you how you can do that. Then what you need to do, select here where you is set app, look at the project model dropdown, ensure it's set to app, or specific model test class you want to execute. And for the last one, to run the code, you will hit here this run button, green one right over here. Now, as you can see here at the bottom right, launching emulator. So we will basically need to wait a few moments that Android Studio run everything as should, and after that it will run our code. And as you can see, process, now it's opening the code, the program, just like that. And as you can see, it opens our app. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the